Supports for the first panel. Continue with the installation of more brackets. Start by applying the gauge. The gauge identifies the places where the other brackets are to be fixed. Place them in designated positions and fix them permanently to the roof. Place the support clamps onto the newly screwed-on brackets and slide on the support profiles. As before, brackets must be installed at the ends of the support profiles. To determine their position, use the gauge. After applying the gauge, screw the brackets permanently to the roof. At this stage, you get a row of supports accommodating one photovoltaic panel.